The Ian Potter Centre, NGV Australia, is the world's first major gallery dedicated exclusively to Australian art. It is a spectacular showcase comprising over 20 galleries housed within a landmark architectural complex. NGV Australia presents the history and many styles and stories of Australian art through paintings, sculpture, decorative arts, photography, prints, drawings, fashion, Indigenous art, and the Joseph Brown Collection. With special exhibitions and educational programs and new perspectives of the city through its glass matrix. NGV Australia is more than a great place to view art. It is a completely fresh approach that encourages people from all walks of life to enjoy the world of art. The Ian Potter Centre, NGV Australia, is an art gallery that houses the Australian part of the art collection of the National Gallery of Victoria, NGV. There are over 20,000 Australian artworks, including paintings, sculpture, prints, photography, fashion, and textiles, and the collection is one of the oldest and most well-known in the country. The Ian Potter Centre is a legacy of the businessman and philanthropist Sir Ian Potter. Well-known works at the Ian Potter Centre include Frederick McCubbin's The Pioneer 1904 and Tom Roberts' Shearing the Rams 1890. Also featured are works from Sidney Nolan, Arthur Boyd, Albert Tucker, Arthur Streeton, John Percival, Margaret Preston, Bill Henson, Howard Arkley, and Fred Williams. Indigenous art includes works by William Barrack and Emily Kingwarai. The NGV, Ian Potter Centre, is the home of Australian art, presenting Indigenous and non-Indigenous art from historical to present day. The gallery hosts a wide range of international and local artists, exhibitions, programs, and events. From contemporary art to major international historic exhibitions, fashion and design, architecture, sound, and dance. Founded in 1861, today the NGV holds the most significant collection of art in the region. A vast treasury of more than 70,000 works that span thousands of years and a wealth of ideas, disciplines, and styles. National Gallery of Victoria, the Ian Potter Centre, NGV Australia, Federation Square, CN are Russell and Flinders Street, Melbourne, Vic 3000. For more informative videos, please do watch our other travel guide and information series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.